Understanding what keywords are and how to use them is critical to your success as an SEO. If you get this right, you'll find yourself attracting thousands of hungry visitors every month. But the problem is, many people get it wrong. So, I'm going to show you how to get it right, but first we need to answer the question, what are keywords? Well, keywords are simply the words and phrases that people type into search engines to find answers. So, if you sell office furniture, you want to make sure that your website is showing up for keywords like buy standing desk and buy office chair, or whatever keywords are relevant to your website. The problem is, well, search engines need a little bit of help to understand your website. So you have to kind of like feed them a little bit with your target keywords to increase your chances of showing up when people search for them. This is called on-page search engine optimization, and we're going to talk a little bit more about that later. For now, all I want you to understand is that keywords serve as the bridge between search engines and your website. But not all keywords are created equal. Some bring thousands of visitors looking for freebies, while others bring handfuls of targeted buyers. And not spending time to understand the intent of a keyword is where many new SEOs go wrong. Typically, keywords fall into three different intent categories: navigational, informational, and transactional. People that use navigational keywords are typically looking to go to a specific website. For example, if you search for YouTube, you expect to end up on YouTube. Informational keywords are when people are looking to learn more about a subject or a product. For example, if you are searching for which is the best standing desk or office chair reviews, whereas transactional keywords are purely focused on buying, such as buy standing desk or where to buy office chairs. If you can understand the differences in these three categories of intent, you'll already be way ahead of the crowd that are purely focused on how many visits a keyword brings. But really, you should be focused on how does the intent of the keyword align to my business and its goals. So, now you know precisely what keywords are, I want you to do two things. First, subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more videos like this. Then, click through to the next video to learn about the different types of keywords that you need to grow your business.